So today I am here. We are going to talk about the materials that you want to pull off this string art wall hangings. Let me take you through, getting closer. Look. Yeah. So these are called string art wall hangings. So you're going to see the materials that you need to pull this off. So let's get right into it. So first of all, subscribe, like, and share. So for you to do this work, you're going to need a canvas, and in my case I use MDF boards. They are thick enough, so that means they are very durable. You're going to need any size that you like. This is a 30 by 30 centimeters, and I even do 40 by 40. Also, I do these small tiny sizes. They are so cute and easy to make. Yeah, so this is the thickness of the board. They are really durable. That is why I use the thick ones. So we are going to need a mathematical set, and all I need in this set is a compass to help me do the circles, just in case I need to, for it to be perfect. I need a sharpener to sharpen my pencils because I like them sharp. I need a protractor to get the angles straight, just in case I need to do this piece right here. I use a protractor to get all those angles. Yeah, and then I also need a needle, just in case I have to do a yin yang string art. So those you need rulers, you need pencils. So those are the rulers I use. I have a long one and a short one, and yeah, you need very many rulers. And I'll need the nails. I used to use these ones. They are called 3-star blue shoe. Shoemakers usually use these ones, though I started using these ones recently. I buy them in kilos, and I like them better than the ones I've been using. They are thinner, they are sharper, and they have a slightly smaller top. They are better to use, better than these ones. But if you can get these ones, it's okay as well. They are packaged well. These ones, they don't come in any package. I use this hammer. So you can use any size of hammer that you want, anything that is comfortable for you. But I like this one that has as if a rubber handle, because it is easier, and then it doesn't like go through my arms. It has like a tight grip. You can see these things, I don't know how they call them, but they help me tighten. Like, it is not slippery like the ones with only this kind of handle. I like it with a rubber, so that it is easier for me to nail, and it is not really heavy, and it does for me a very good job. So yeah, so you also need a hammer. After you have nailed, so you will need paint. Yeah, I like to paint my canvas so that my colors pop instead of just leaving it brown. I like to paint it black so that my colors can pop even on a distance. So I use this weather guard paint, and then I spray so that it gives me the shiny look on my piece. And then you see this shiny. So I use this spray paint on top of this. When this one has dries really quick. But then I also spray with this spray paint. You can get this one in any hardware around town. And I use these paint brushes to paint my boards. Okay, this one is this one I use to paint on like a real big surface, and then this one is for filling in the gaps in between the nails. These ones, I use these ones to fill in the gaps in between the nails. So yeah, those are the paint brushes I use. I don't have any formula while buying these ones, apart from when these things are soft, I'll buy them. When you have done all the painting, nailing, so you'll need the strings to do the designing. So these are the strings I use. You can use any yarn you want, but I prefer these tiny fishing net strings. They use them to do fishing nets, so they are stronger and durable, and then they don't like crack. So I use, and they don't easily break. So it takes you a lot of energy to break it, apart from if you have like a knife or something. So I like to use them because they are durable. And this is Sangara fishing twine, double strong. Yeah, they come in different colors and brands. This is a Tiger Fish brand. And then you need to be keen on the size of the strings. I like to use 12 because they are not tiny, they are not small, they are medium, they are not like big, so your design will come out nice. And then there is this Gold Knit brand. I think this is like the best that I use. It is kind of expensive, more than the rest, but it is nice. It's really nice, stronger than this one that they call double strong. I feel like it is stronger than this one, so I would recommend you use the Knitting Polyester twine, size 12. And then there is Skyfish. Yeah, I don't like it that much, but this one I would recommend you use. This one, it is kind of expensive, but more than this one, but it is nice. So I'll try to use all the brands to get the nice one. So this one is better than all of them. So basically that is all you need. Well, plus you'll need a scissor to cut the end of the remaining pieces of strings that you have. So I use the scissor as well. So this is all you need to pull off the string art wall hangings. You can use these pieces to gift your people. You can gift your friends. You can design your house. Things turn out nice. I think the next episodes we are going to be talking about how we're going to do tutorials for all these pieces. So you can tell me in the comments section below tell us which designs you want us to make, which tutorials you want us to do, where we get materials. We can answer all those questions in the comment section. Okay, yeah, these things turn out really pretty nice. You see, the strings are really strong. They are really strong. So yeah, thank you for joining me today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful for you who are starting to do string art. I hope it was educational. I hope it was informational to you. Looking forward to seeing you next. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time.